Shall I start? Good morning to all of you. My name is Aditya, and I'm glad to have been given this opportunity to perform in front of the camera, in front of the students, the new student I would say. And here the topic is that phone should be allowed, phone should not be allowed for the students, because we know that this is a debatable topic and we are really confused that what should be the happening. Let's get started with the opponent's team. Here we go with them.
Okay, so good morning guys. How are you all? Fine. Yeah, I'm also good. So today we are playing a debate competition game in which my topic is phone should be allowed for the students. If I talking about the why phone should be allowed for the students, so the first of all, we are living in the modern era, means we are living in the technology era, and phone is very important for the student. If the students have a basic knowledge about the phones, then he will use the phones in a very easily way, and he will use a phone in a very good way. That's why the phone is very important for the students. If I talking about the knowledge, in the knowledge, there are the lots of the knowledge we get from the phones. Like when the students have any kind of inquiry, have any kind of topics and then questions, that times he will easily find the knowledgeable things by the help of phone. That's why the phone is very important for the students. If I talking about the in the technology era, there are the technology era in the phones. It is very beneficial for the futures for the students. Why? Because in the technology era,
Morning to everyone. As my name is Anjali, see, as we are in the favor that phone should not be allowed to the student. So definitely phone should not be allowed to the student, because see, when we become habitual of phone, so what happens that it becomes our addiction, and when the things become addiction, so we cannot live without the things. And even for a mini second, for a nanosecond, we cannot live without phone in this era. As you may have watched the 2.0 movie, in that movie said how that Akshay Kumar is requesting to everyone not to use phone. And that mobile phone is a reason of that unhealthy that we are getting diseases, means inability to sleep, which is called insomnia. We are that poor relationship, means when we use phones, so what happens that we are not able to make relationship with our friend. That suppose means if I give example, so when I was in my school, so I had lots of friends, but these days I don't have anyone, and all the time I just get busy myself with the phones. I just search the things, I just get my done homework by the phone. So I don't think that mobile is good for her, and this generation everyone is moving.
Okay, so very good afternoon guys. Okay, so my name is Achar. Okay, so I'm in the favor of phone should be allowed for the student, because we are not in a 90s kid, to be honest. We are living in an era of modern era, and our prime minister also supporting the technology. So just if you are putting your own thoughts, if you are putting your own habits on the phone, yes, the culprit is the phone. No, culprit you are, because you are habitual for the phone. That's why you are using the phone in a very bad way. This is the fact, and the fact is that you can get the updation, you can get the notification, you can get the all of the things into the phone. Because if you are doing any competitive preparation, if you are doing any updation, if you are doing any current affairs knowledge, if you are getting, so automatically you get that notification, you get the updation in terms of the phone. So phones are very helpful, but don't blame the phone in terms of your mind, because technology is our friend, not our enemy in terms of many situations. We are here for playing the debate. We are not here for discussing. We are playing.
Talking about that mobile should not be allowed, so definitely I'm in support of it, because we know that anxiety, the problem we are facing these days is due to mobile. What kind of problem is you are talking about? That see, many things are there. I can say that anxieties problem students are not getting, even that this is the mobile, it's not a mobile, but it became the status level. If suppose that you are studying in the class and someone has the iPhone, and that on the other hand, if you say that student who can't afford that normal mobile even, so he feels that means what can I say, that he feel eradicated at a time, that why I can't have this same mobile, and why I can't compete with that mobile. This becomes that's how that person starts depressing himself, and he just loses his power and studies. And if I talk about negativities, about everyone knows about using the mobile overnight, and we are getting even that we have just broken up our daily routine. We just getting up in the morning in the late, and we just sleeps late, because we what we do, we just operate mobile till the night and we just have broken. That's why we are not even regular. We are punctual in the school. These are the enjoyment.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you all? I am also good. So as you all know that today I am in the favor of the mobile should be allowed for the student, because I want to tell you one thing, that this is the major difference, like why it is good for everyone, because there are a lot of things which is very helps us to, like people very get the most of the benefit from the mobile phone. And as ma'am said that mobile create a poor relationship between the people, but I don't agree with your point, because we all are connected to each other by the help of mobile phone. And this is the very good thing, like when someone is live in a very far distance, on that time we easily connect to themselves, and this is the very good advantages of the mobile phone. That is why a lot of people always try to get the connection between the between our relatives and our family members, because right now a lot of students study in our outs of the like country.
Good morning, all of you. Good morning. I hope you are very well. So, according to me, it's not good. We should not use phone, because we are making a very dust of machines in a area. Like if we have a phone right now, you are using it, but it become old. Like machines are updating day by day. If you have a 2 GB RAM, it's like become a wastage for you. And if I talk about its frequency, if you put your phone in a pocket, it's create a frequency which affect your heart level, which affect your which give you a disease. And if I talk about the 5G, like nowadays we have a 5G, it create lots of like frequency. If I talk about, if you use earbuds, it's some lacking problem. If you have some old types of earbuds, why? Because 5G have a very high frequency which defect the other frequency. We are not able to use it in a good manner. Like if we have a walkie-talkie, it's also have a high frequency. So according to me, it's a
Good morning to all of you. So my name is Amrita, and I am favor of the mobile should be allowed to the student, because I am the 90s kid, and I face so many problem on that time because of the budget. Like if I have a budget, I want to do something because the study kind of thing. So I have spent lots of money. So but now the mobile of one of the things they have, if we have access of internet, we search all about the things, and it is very important for a student, because student have so many curiosity about the study, about the current affairs. So on that time they grab the knowledge for the mobile, and they spend save their money, and they save their money or their family. And because we said the distraction, like mobile has a distraction, but no, because distraction is everywhere. In the previous time mobile is not, but the distraction is.
Good morning to everyone. Good morning. I hope everyone is good. So today I'm supporting with like mobile phone shouldn't be allowed for like students. So definitely it's a true, and as you ma'am said about like it's a important role in our like for students' life. So definitely it's not true, because of the like means what they are, I can say students are what they are doing for like in their schools, in their life also with the help of mobile phone. So I would say about like in examination what they do, I would say about like cheating. Means whenever like examination like time comes, so definitely like I can say students, they just do cheating. I don't know why. Maybe you can see like it's a one kind of boon for your side, but from our side definitely it's not boon for everyone. So definitely we can see like it's not good for everyone. Whenever you think about like it's a boon for everyone, definitely it's not good, because every students, I can say they're wasting of time. Only I can say social media, on any platform you can easily see. So these are the things I would say. And about like in platform, you can say like on YouTube, they are just making like I can say reels and on YouTube also. So how can you say that it's a really good for I can say student life? I would say if they are really curious to do something.
Good morning to all. Good morning. So this side Krish, I am in the motion of the phone should be allowed for the students, because when we are using mobile phones on that time, it's very good sign for the students, because with the help of mobile phones we can take lots of knowledge about the phones. Like when I am also the students of the 12th standard, so that's why I am supporting to this topic, because I learned so many things from this phone. Like when in my schools they
don't have any kind of teachers for providing good studies. That's why I am supporting these topics, and with the help of mobile phones I study a lot, because with the help of mobile phones, in the mobile phone there are lots of teachers on the YouTubes who is providing the good teaching knowledge about the topics. That's why I am supporting this type of thing, and with the help of mobile phones we can get too much knowledge in the small time. That's mobile phone is allowed for the students, and it is very good sign for our Indian, and it is.
Morning, my dear friends. Today I am in the favor of mobile phone should not be allowed to the student. Why mobile phone should not be allowed to the student? Because there are several reasons behind it. First reason is that it creates distraction. Student can be distracted, so that's why mobile phone should not be allowed to the student. And moreover, if any student is studying, and during studying he or she gets the notification and he or she indulge his or herself in the mobile phone, so he waste many his study time, so it is can be also reason behind it. And moreover, every in a mobile phone we see there are too many applications, and every application needs our personal information. To start that application, it needs our email ID, our mobile number, our father's name, our personal information. That it can create it can be harmful for our future. It can our personal information can be stolen by it. And there are so many disadvantages of mobile phone, because if we think about the student,